Avizo Lanamai taking on Dushyant. Dushyant took up this fight in just 10 days' notice, stepping up to take on Avizo Lanamai.
I am very excited about this as well.
Well, yes, we saw Avizo fighting in MFN 9 last time. He fought Abhishek Negi, had a dominant win, and he's back again at MFN 10, this time taking on Dushyant.
और अवीजो भी उसी कैंप से आते हैं जहां से अरसेनबा है, नागालैंड की हम बहुत बात कर चुके हैं. They produce really dangerous fighters. Leg kicks बहुत खतरनाक है, striking बहुत खतरनाक है, grappling बहुत खतरनाक है. So we can expect a lot of explosions from Avizo Lanamai in the cage tonight.
You know, one of the things too is Dushyant is coming with...
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Avizo Lanamai!
केज की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं नागालैंड के अवीजो लानामाई और वो ट्रेडिशनल नागालैंड की क्लॉथ उनके शोल्डर पे है.
Representing TCA Nagaland, 21-year-old Avizo Lanamai makes his way to the cage. John, I know you love Nagaland fighters. Let's look at his keys to victory. He better avoid an early brawl because he's fighting Dushyant, who's a wrestler, who's explosive. He should not force desperate shots, and he better be listen to his corner, which he's doing at the moment, because he comes in from TCA Nagaland. Coach Meme, or Kremle as we call him, is one of the most experienced guys in the fight business in the country.
As a coach, I respect Coach K-Man tremendously. I enjoy speaking to him about strategy and find value in our conversations.
खतरनाक लग रहे हैं. जरा इनकी बॉडी देखिए, पूरी तरीके से तैयार हैं इस मुकाबले के लिए.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Dushyant!
अब आ रहे हैं दिल्ली की शान, छत्रसाल अखाड़े में पले बड़े हुए दुष्यंत, मनन, जॉन. जब दुष्यंत को पता लगा कि उसको ये फाइट मिली है, उसके परिवार में खुशियां ही खुशियां थी. और मनन, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि दुष्यंत की पूरा परिवार सुबह से आज व्रत पे है ताकि आज दुष्यंत कुछ अच्छा गेम दिखा पाए. Let's look at his keys to victory. He's got a massive gas tank. Being a wrestler, he is an expert in double leg takedowns, and he delivers extreme punishment on ground. So, as I told you, Manan, this guy is here to make a statement. Again, John, again, he's one of those guys who tormented the entire division at MFN Contenders, and he's here to make a show. It's been a disappointing day for TCA because Arsenba lost, and it's been an excellent day for all those guys who came in from MFN Contenders because they've put up an excellent show.
You know, I spoke to him yesterday and I said, how do you feel taking this fight on 10 days? And he looked at me and he said, you know what? I'm always ready.
Let's look at the tail of the tape. Both these guys are 21 years of age. Avizo Lanamai, 178 centimeters, has an 8-inch reach advantage over Dushyant. Both these guys almost weighing in the same. Avizo Lanamai is a born MMA fighter. On the other hand, we've got Dushyant, who's been wrestling ever since he was a kid, and then transitioned to Wushu, and now he's here fighting MMA at just 10 days notice.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, he weighed in at 65.65 kilograms, representing Nagaland, Avizo Lanamai! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 65.5 kilograms, representing Delhi. Make some noise for Dushyant! Ladies and gentlemen, the referee for the fight, Ranjit.
Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves, back to your corners.
गाइज मैं आपको दुष्यंत के बारे में एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ। एक बहुत ही स्ट्रगल भरे बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं ये। इनके पिताजी सब्जियां बेचते हैं। इस लेवल की स्ट्रगल देखी है इन्होंने और आज यहाँ इतने बड़े मंच पर फाइट कर रहे हैं। दाद देनी होगी इनकी।
बिल्कुल मनन, आज दुष्यंत के परिवार में खुशियां ही खुशियां हैं। दुष्यंत ने सालों साल मेहनत की है, खून पसीना बहाया है और आज ये यहाँ है मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 10 में। इन्होंने ये फाइट बहुत शॉर्ट नोटिस पे ली है। इनका पूरा परिवार इनके लिए प्रे कर रहा है एंड ही इज हियर राइट हियर टू पुट अप अ शो।
हालांकि एक डिसएडवांटेज पे हैं, 10 दिन के नोटिस पे इन्होंने फाइट ली है, पर चलिए देखते हैं क्या होता है इस मुकाबले में। बढ़िया लेग किक से शुरुआत करी।
Avizo coming out and taking center of the cage here, guys.
और यही एक्सपेक्टेड था नागालैंड के फाइटर से कि वो आएंगे, किक्स और पंचेस लगाना स्टार्ट करेंगे।
Dushyant landing those leg kicks. Looking for a takedown here.
ओह
Nice
बढ़िया
knee over the
knees,
top,
एक
nice
के बाद
knees.
एक के बाद एक, क्या बात है।
Well, Avizo going all in, throwing in a lot of shots.
दुष्यंत बार बार टेक डाउन के लिए जा रहे हैं, लेकिन अवीजो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उसको डिफेंड कर रहे हैं और जवाब में स्ट्राइक्स लगा रहे हैं।
Dushyant is going to need to throw some punches or some kicks prior to shooting, otherwise he's just the target. He's going to need to mix it up. Going to also need to get his back off the cage here. Avizo doing a good job cutting him off and keeping his back against the cage.
Avizo is the kind of opponent that Dushant has never faced ever before in his career. Avizo is intelligent. He's durable and he's charging in. He's charging in like
Got
anything.
an eye poke here, guys.
Let's check out the replay.
Yeah, let's see it on a replay here.
Let's look at the replay.
You can see the lead hand of Dushyant is completely open here. Yep, pinky right to the eye.
Was it?
Pinky.
Okay.
Pinky right to the eyeball.
Mhm.
If I'm referee Ranjith, I'm going to tell Dushyant, let's close those hands.
For sure.
Back to action here. Avizo taking center of the cage.
कड़क मुक्के लगाए, जवाब में दोबारा टेक डाउन की कोशिश, लेकिन अवीजो की मुक्कों और लातों की मशीन रुक नहीं रही है।
So John, here since Dushant is a wrestler, he's very durable, he's tough, and he's born for battle.
He is, and one thing I want you guys to notice is that his mouth is open. Dushyant needs to close his mouth. Oh, he was caught there, guys.
जोरदार मुक्का लगा सीधा जबड़े पे, क्या बात है।
Dushant throwing in those big right hands.
और फाइनली टेक डाउन मिल गया है, जिसकी बहुत देर से इंतजार कर रहे थे, लेकिन एक ही सेकंड में अवीजो उठ खड़े हुए।
Exposing his back here, Dushyant takes his back. Let's see if he can get him back down to the mat.
Dushant's got Avizo's back. He's just trying to take him down, just like the way wrestlers do.
Man, I really have to say that Dushyant has a great chin and great heart.
He does. Avizo's doing a good job of protecting himself right here in this position. Looking for a Kimura, looking to break his... All right, we're down to the mat.
But Avizo is still trying to lock in that Kimura.
Dushyant is doing a good job of controlling his hips.
Well,
You see, he's synced it down on his hips, cinched it down on his hips here.
Pure strength.
बिल्कुल एक सांप की तरह लिपट गए हैं दुष्यंत अवीजो के आसपास और छोड़ने का नाम नहीं ले रहे हैं।
Avizo looking for a Kimura here. Got him on it. Got top control here.
Avizo trying to get in with
Locked
that
in his
Kimura.
hooks.
बहुत ही बुरी सिचुएशन में आ गए हैं यहाँ दुष्यंत। अवीजो उनकी पीठ पर है, मुक्के बजा रहे हैं।
These are heavy shots, guys. These are very heavy shots. Watch for Avizo to kind of wear him out and then flatten him out just like that, guys. He's going to wear him down.
Oh, कड़क मुक्के, कड़क। यहाँ से निकलना होगा दुष्यंत
Sinking
को।
that rear naked. Here we go. This might be the end of the fight, guys. This might be the
Well, that's
end.
kind of crazy.
फाइट कर रहे हैं दुष्यंत, लेकिन फाइट कभी भी खत्म भी हो सकती है। एक हाथ पूरा गले पे लिपटा हुआ है अवीजो का।
That was it. That was it, guys. What a finish. That was a great finish. Good show of sportsmanship.
Let's look at the action replay. Look at the way Avizo came in charging, relentless with those shots. Dushyant tried to throw in a kick, however, Avizo charged back heavy with his hands, and herein Avizo tries to go in for that technical Kimura. Eventually ends the bout by taking Dushyant's back, locking in those hooks, and then a body triangle and choking out Dushyant.
Absolutely, Rahul. This is where it all ended.
The team TCA Nagaland once again securing the first win for the night. Over to Jared for the official announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Ranjit called a stop in this contest in the first round at 3 minutes and 32 seconds. For your winner, submission by the rear naked choke, Avizo Lanamai.
Winner, Avizo Lanamai. Avizo, looked like you dominated right from the start. Was this your strategy going in?
Yeah, I wanted to finish the fight early. And first of all, I want to thank MFN, Aisha ma'am, everyone for giving me the opportunity. And next, someone has been calling me out in the internet, Manish Mahanta. I want to fight you next. You have my full attention. Let's go.
All right, I guess you heard it from the man himself and the title contender that he wants to fight next.